Optical mice. Optical mice use advanced image sensors to capture tiny changes in surface patterns and process this data to determine the exact direction and distance of movement. Their performance depends on factors such as sensor accuracy, tracking speed, and internal processing ability. A key difference between optical mice is not just movement speed, but also precision, response time, and the ability to maintain accurate tracking on different surfaces. High-quality sensors can detect extremely small movements with less delay and fewer errors, making them especially valuable for tasks that require precision, such as graphic design and competitive gaming. By replacing mechanical parts with digital sensors, optical mice offer longer lifespans, lower maintenance needs, and more consistent performance. However, their accuracy can still be affected by certain surfaces, especially highly reflective or transparent materials. Wireless mice. Wireless mice connect to a computer through radio signals, most commonly using a USB receiver or Bluetooth. The choice of connection can affect performance. USB receivers generally provide lower latency and a more stable connection, while Bluetooth offers greater convenience without requiring a dedicated receiver. An often overlooked factor is wireless interference. Other nearby wireless devices can occasionally cause connection instability or delayed input, although modern mice use technologies designed to reduce these issues. Battery efficiency also depends on factors such as sensor power consumption, connection type, and polling rate, so battery life can vary significantly between models. Higher-end wireless mice may include low-latency wireless modes, adjustable polling rates, and the ability to charge while being used. These features allow modern wireless mice to deliver responsive performance without sacrificing the convenience of a cable-free setup. Wired mice. Wired mice transmit data directly through a physical connection, which allows for a stable and consistent flow of input between the mouse and computer. Because the connection does not rely on wireless signals, wired models avoid issues such as wireless interference, connection drops, or the need to manage a rechargeable battery. Another advantage is consistently low latency, which can be especially important for fast and precise movements. This is one reason wired mice remain common in competitive gaming and other situations where immediate input matters. The main trade-off is cable drag, which can restrict movement or add resistance during use, although flexible cables and improved designs can reduce this effect. Wired mice are also generally simpler to maintain because they do not require batteries or wireless pairing. For users who prioritize reliability, predictable performance, and uninterrupted use, a wired connection remains a practical choice. Gaming mouse. A gaming mouse is built around speed, precision, and consistent control, using technologies designed to minimize input delay and improve tracking accuracy during fast movements. One of the most important components is the sensor, which determines how accurately the mouse can detect movement across different surfaces and speeds. Advanced gaming mice often include features such as adjustable DPI, high polling rates, programmable buttons, and customizable weight systems. While DPI affects cursor sensitivity, polling rate determines how frequently the mouse reports its position to the computer, making it an important factor for smooth and responsive control. Beyond gaming, these features are valuable for professionals who work with creative software, including designers, editors, and 3D artists. The ability to customize controls and make precise movements can improve workflow efficiency and provide greater control over complex tasks.